Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss about message sent to failed in iPhone in iOS devices. Guys, if you are facing this problem, please watch this video until the end. First of all, close this page and open setting application appears on screen. Close this, open setting. Here tap on it and must be check your network signals and turn on airplane mode and turn off after few seconds. Here guys, turn off and here guys, scroll down and tap on journal. Here now tap on date and time, tap on it, and guys, set automatically time. Turn on must be turned on from here. If turn off, turn on from here. You can see. Now go back and scroll down, open message, tap on it, message. Here guys, iMessage turn on must be turned on from here. And now scroll down. Here guys, scroll down and key message must be selected on forever. Here guys, must be selected on forever. Now go back. Here guys, search here, send message, send as message, search here, send as message. You can see appears on screen, turn on from here. Now go back. Here guys, must be watch last setting. I hope your problem will be solved after last setting. And open setting application, scroll down and tap on general and scroll down and tap on transfer reset option, tap on reset option. You can see, tap on it and tap on reset all setting. Guys, after reset all setting, I hope your problem will be solved in your iPhone. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.